Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to get your Windows 10 product key. So first things first, we're gonna go to the search bar here on the bottom left and then typing CMD. And now we're gonna right click this one and then run it as administrator. And then clicking on yes. Once the command prompt is out, we need to type this command: WMIC space path space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key. After typing that, just press on enter and you'll be able to see your product key. There you have it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.